Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. Hey, we do a lot of hardwood refinishing, and so if you have a solid hardwood that we can, what we do called sand and seal, we get asked quite a few questions about that, but here are a couple that I just wanted to touch on briefly. One, we get asked, hey, is there a smell associated with that? And the answer is yes. Hardwood finish does not smell good, and it's best not to be around it while it's happening. And so then that leads to the other thing we get asked, can I be in my home while it's being done? Again, not a good idea. It's best to be out of your home when you're having your hardwood flooring refinished, because the smell is just really bad. Like, I can't stand it personally, and I don't think I'm that sensitive to things like that. So yes, there's a smell, and depending on how sensitive you are, sometimes when we're done, like if you finish a floor, most people can be back in the next day. Some people, it still smells too bad for them and they can't take it. And so depending on your allergy levels and things like that, you just need to let us know that, because everybody's a little bit different, okay? So yes, there's a smell. Two, you really need to be out of the house. So when you go to refinish your floors, you kind of need to plan it around maybe a trip or being in the hotel or staying at your parents' house or things like that. So those are a couple of things we get asked often, and it's just important to realize that that's part of the game. But on the flip side, you get a beautiful brand new looking floor, which is nice, and it's worth it. So we do that all the time, each and every week, and we'd love to help you with your refinishing of your next floors. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and feel free to reach out. I'll respond to anything that you put down below. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day.